What's up, people? My name is Martin, here back again with a short video on the financial markets. As I always start by saying, please go back to my IG page, that is Matt underscore Capital Investments. Be able to like and follow. Also, for this channel, please subscribe, like, and comment. Ask anything regarding to the financial markets. I'm here to help you out. So, today was a very chilled Sunday. I was just actually just reading my book. It's a new book that I'm reading currently. It's called The Psychology of Money. I think I'm in chapter 7 or 6. When I remembered a very quick question that everybody keeps on asking me every single time, what forex trading really is, and I think I'm here to answer you that question, real quick, like very short. So forex or forex, as people know it, is the short form for foreign exchange. Foreign exchange. Let me start with the layman English, that I can be able to develop it slowly. So forex, foreign exchange trading, deals with currencies from its name, foreign exchange. So every single day, trading takes place all over the world. Today, here in Kenya, there are people who are buying things or exporting things to maybe Sudan or to London. We are also importing things from China or from the States. Every single day, money is being exchanged around the markets. So this exchange of money in different markets is what we call foreign exchange. If you're going to the border, you need to change your money to a different currency, and changing your money into different currency is foreign exchange, changing your cash. So very different economies when the UK is trading with what's it called, with the States, or when Russia is trading with us, and that's why you're hearing that maybe the dollar has fallen, the dollar has appreciated, or maybe the Russian ruble has gone down. Why? Because people are no longer buy things from them, and it's really affecting the value of their money. So that is what we call foreign exchange. So when it comes to forex trading, we know that there's trading that takes place around the world, but we don't have a platform that can be able to. We don't know how much is being exchanged every single day. This is a $1 trillion industry, and you find that we need to be able to. We need a platform, us as forex traders, to be able to view all these things that are happening all at once, just like stocks. Yeah, stocks. You see how maybe a public traded company changed value from 2 shillings to 3 shillings. Okay, so in foreign exchange, we are also provided a platform like that using now a credible broker. My broker is FX Pesa. Um, the link. Currently, you'll find the link either on my description or on my IG page, one of the two. So we are provided by a platform, by the brokerage firm, where we can be able to see the value of our currency every single day. So in case uh, our currency increases in value, we're able to see on the platform that maybe today the Kenyan shillings was at 80 shillings, tomorrow it's at 100, tomorrow it's at 120 against the dollar. So in forex trading, we usually trade one currency to the other. It's all about exchanging currencies and the value of currency between one and two. So we have different currencies. That is, we have the majors, we have the minors, we have the exotics. We also trade commodities, that's like gold and oil and all that. But specifically, let me go, let's say, to maybe one major currency. Let's say like British pound over the dollar. Like right now, you're hearing so many things about interest rates being hiked to curb inflation in the states. And when the interest rates are increased, people are willing to be able to invest in that economy, so that they can be able to reap more interest rates from the investments. That's why you find that the dollar is increasing in value, while the others are dropping in value. So when you come into this field of foreign exchange or forex trading, we we introduce you into a field where you're able to analyze all these markets. So very many people ask, can I be able to do it? Is it all about mathematics? No, actually, it's not about how much mathematics you know. It's not about your background in finances, nothing about that. It's all about being able to master trends, be able to predict trends, being able to look at patterns. If you can be able to identify patterns that happens in the market, you can be able to determine um, whether an economy will go up or down. So there are two branches, there are two parts of forex trading. That is the fundamental side and the technical side. Um, fundamental trading is now here when you're hearing reasons as to why maybe a certain currency is gaining in value against the other. Like I've given an example of, what's it called? Sorry for background noise. uh, what's it called? Like how you're hearing that the US dollar has gained value because of hiking the interest rates to try and curb inflation, or maybe how the Russian ruble fell in price because of maybe the sanctions that they have been given, or how during the COVID times, when the oil refineries were closed, uh, what's it called? Oil went down. The value of oil went even below uh, 0 shillings, $0. So that's the fundamental side. Then there's this other technical side. The technical side is when you're able to come and predict trends. You're able to look at it and say, am I on an upward trend or am I on a downward trend, or is my market ranging from one part to the other? So us as foreign exchange traders usually look at what the market is doing. Personally, I'm a technical trader. Yes, I still go with fundamentals. Like right now, I'm also following what is happening in the economies. And the reason why I chose technicals is the rise of high frequency trading. High frequency trading is when coders, programmers have been able to program small bots into the Wall Street in Wall Street, where money marketers are able to use this bot to be able to get the slightest movements, maybe during market open or market close. They're able to get small movements in very large orders all at once, and this is able to make them capitalize very fast. And all this not rely on what people are saying, but on the different technical parts of the market. Maybe it's indicators, or maybe it's what's it called? Other technical tools that we use in the foreign market. We're gonna tackle it later on. So people asking, Amma, do I really need to know a lot of mathematics, or are there calculations or anything? There is nothing like that. The only the only thing I usually tell my people is the only mathematics you're going to be required to know is how much, what's the price that you're entering, where do you want to enter, or where do you want to get out, how much do you risk, and how much do you are you willing to risk, and how much are you willing to lose. And I tell people, do not enter into the financial markets if you don't have money that you're willing to risk. Very many people, the most important part of foreign exchange trading is risk management, because when you're able to manage your risk, you're able to compound your money over a long period of time. So it's not about get rich quick. No, 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 it's not about get rich quick. Like I've been in the field for 4 years. I've been profitable for now like 3 years, and I'm still not where I want to be, but I know I'm still going to get there. But I've made some decent money, and I know that with time, by compounding this that I have, I'm going to be able to get to that point in life. So I entered in the mentality of it's get rich quick and make money, pop, 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 but it's not. Yeah. So foreign exchange trading, that is forex trading, is all about currencies. Being able to predict what a currency is going to do, be able to predict what the economy is doing, be able to take your stake into the market. Let's say you're trading the pound against the dollar, being able to know that when we're going to when a currency's value is appreciating, we buy or we take a long position, or when a currency is losing value, or we're going to predict that it's going to down, we usually sell it or take a short position on it. Let me give a practical example, okay? For those people who may be using the Kenyan shillings to the dollar. So how do we capitalize from it? So there's a time that 100 Kenyan shillings will give you $1. So if you had a dollar account and you deposited, let's say 10,000 Kenyan shillings, you'd be given exactly $100. All right. So from this $100, uh, Currently, the dollar to the Kenyan shilling is at 120. So for every dollar that you deposited, you've made at 20 shillings profit. So for your $100, uh, every dollar that's at 100, you multiply by 20. So now you have 2,000 shillings on top. So your profit over the time, right now, if you're going to withdraw your $100, you're not going to be given the same $100. You're not going to be given the same 10,000 shillings. You'll be given 12,000 Kenyan shillings. So that is for somebody who's putting money in a dollar account. For us now, we are able to see those small market movements. Yeah, we put up, we take a position in the market. We call it using a standard volume or lot size. Uh, it's more of in cents, maybe because I trade mostly the major currencies. Uh, the change is in cents, but in those cents, yeah, if you're able to predict a small movement, that is how we're going to make money. So if I'm risking $50 in that trade, and it was moving for 50 cents, it has moved at 50 cents, the change was 50 cents, I'll be able to make 50 cents times the value of money that I've been able to put in. Same way in losing, but if my prediction was wrong, I will still lose it. So it's a win or lose kind of game. But this is the catch. And when I said that the most important thing about forex markets is, what's it called? The most important one about forex market is risk management. Yeah, we usually try and risk about 1 to 2% of our trading capital. So that means I need to be wrong. If I risk 1%, I need to be wrong 100 times to lose all my capital. If I risk 2%, I need to be wrong 50 times to be able to lose all my capital. And unless you're just a dumb person, there's no way you can be able to lose all that. But I'm not saying that you cannot lose, because I have also lost. I told you in the previous episode that I had lost. I've blown over 50 accounts. Why? Because I did not take my risk management into consideration. I just was getting in, and trying to make profit, like risking 100% of my account or 50% of my account, and it was catastrophic because the two trades I'm out. Yeah, because you can have very unprofitable weeks. So the reality is, if you enter into this field with the mentality that you want to get rich quick, you're gonna lose. So, us in our company, that is Mat Capital, I will take you through risk management strategies, because I think that is the most important part. Because there is no strategy that is 100% profitable. No, 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 no. Zero. Most of the strategies, most of the best strategies are about 60% profitable, 60 to 70% profitable. But remember, for every 30 time, that means for every 10 trades, this person loses three. Yeah. So if you risked 2% per trade, you'd lose 6%, but you get 7. 7 times that is 14. When you do your calculations, that means you're going to get like 9. You're going to get like 9% of your invested money. So if you enter into it with a risk, but even if your strategy is 80% profitable, or even 90% for those who claim there's a 90% profitable, if you that means for every 9 trades you lose one. What if that one trade that you took, you had risked 100% of your trading capital? You will not have money anymore. All of it will get wiped out. But if you take your journey 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, that means you'll be 18% in profit and just lose 2%. All right. So foreign exchange is very simple. Hey, actually, let me not lie to you. It's not simple. It is hard, because the hardest part is the psychological part, on how you're going to handle your losses, how you're going to handle your wins. That is the most tiresome and crazy part about foreign exchange. But in our company, that is Smart Capital Investments, and you will come to our page. I will show you risk management strategies that you can be able to use. I also have a risk calculator that I usually use, and there are also some very good reviews of those people who have been able to use it, that can be able to amplify you to get the next step. Uh, I'm not trying to market anything, but also I try and telling people there's also a way you can be able to make quick money. Remember, this is just not safe and everything, but if you're consistent and you know how you can be able to analyze your trades very fast, yeah, you can be able to risk your 2%, yes, per trade, but also have a side account that you're willing to put up even 100% stake in it. Let's say it's a $50 account. you have $1,000 account that is giving you maybe $30, 3% every single day. That is $30 per day. Even if you put that $30 in a small account, yeah, and risk all of it, it's money that you're willing to lose, and you can be able to risk to a point you're able to flip your account up to $1,000. Like I did a challenge the day before yesterday where I took a $250 account, which was willing to lose that $250, and was able to make it to $1,200 within 2 days. So it's mine that I'm willing to lose, but I did not say that it's good, because I also have my own private account that I'm using very strict risk management that I'm not afraid to lose. So for those willing to enter into this field of trading, I just wanted you to know that what foreign exchange trading really is, what forex is. Also, I usually tell people, do your own research, learn what it is. My beginning, I'm not affiliated to them, but I went to babypips.com. I was able to help me be able to learn the basics of trading. Then I was able to get into huge books of trading, so we're able to understand all that is happening in the financial field. So if you want to join my team, you go to my Instagram page, just like, follow, DM me, then I can be able to send you all the details. Let's grow together, for sure, for sure, for sure. The people who are also asking for lifestyle videos, hopefully I'm still very camera shy, but hopefully I'll be able to indulge you into my world as well. And thank you for taking your time to listen to me. Thank you for taking your time to know what foreign exchange is. I hope all will be well. You can be able to join our team very soon, and let's continue together. In the next 2 weeks, I'm hosting people back at the office, because I'm going to be able to do a crash course into trading and the financial markets. So if you want to be part of it as well, just hit me up. I can send you all the details. Then we can be able to do all this together. So have a nice time, and God bless you. Cheers.